Selling and dating is remarkably similar in that they share a lot of the mistakes that we make, and they also share a solution, and they also share the fact that technology hasn't really helped a lot with selling and dating when it's the more complex cases, when you're looking for a partner rather than just a customer or a hookup. So what are the 5 mistakes that we make and how can we correct them? The first mistake is stop being insecure, undervaluing yourself. Don't think that any customer or date that says yes is a good customer or date. Identify who your dream customers and dates are and look for yeses from them. Stop pushing your product or your service or yourself. Start creating a pool. Put yourself out there, but let them contact you. Stop talking so much. Start listening more. Stop showing your product or service too soon. Prepare an irresistible offer for them. And the last part, stop over-promising during the sales cycle or dating cycle and then under-deliver, under-promise and over-deliver.